Have you missed that? I have. Daily 100 has started off for the boys. The R6 is somewhat back. I have a lot to talk to you about. She is half naked, half headlight, has tail lights, no passenger pegs, is black and blue, and a lot of different stuff. But she is back and is rideable and has gorgeous tires, and she's the bike I started this channel on. So if you guys are cruiser fans, hopefully you're still Kill Cam fans, because this bike started it all. Man, these tires have not been touched in way too long. I took her around the block one time since the move, so she really hasn't had the chance to stretch her legs just yet. Oh my god, I missed this bike. It looks so weird like this right now. A lot of stuff is wrong with her, nothing mechanically, but cosmetically she is a stunt bike. She is all over the place with her appearance. I'm gonna get off the bike somewhere nice, secluded, and I want to show you what is wrong with my Yamaha R6. For those of you that are newer, I'm going to fill you in on the backstory of why you guys haven't been seeing this bike and why she looks like this and how did it all happen. No, I did not wreck her, so get that out of your mind. Honestly, I'm going to give you guys the short version. The short version is the bike got tipped over in the garage. It cracked the back piece right here, which now looks absolutely beautiful. And that piece right there cost around $250, $300. And your boy was not trying to spend that money at that time for one piece of plastic, for one little dent or crack on my fairing. So this company, we started talking to each other. They sent me a kit. I love the kit. I will put the video right here. The kit flew off. So you guys know the story on that, and if you don't, you can go watch the video. That was all real, 100% real. So after that kit fell off, I really just haven't been motivated, and I've been so busy that I haven't been able to put any time into putting the stock fairings back on and buying a bolt kit, and just I spent so much time putting on that new fairing kit that I was just so, like I said, unmotivated to get my stock kit back on. But now that I really do miss this bike, I absolutely love this bike. You guys know that if you've seen any of my R6 videos. I absolutely love this bike, and there's been times where I want to get rid of it and I just could never had the heart to do it. So this thing means a lot to me. As weird as that may sound, for those of you that love vehicles, you may understand. But for those of you that are just like, it's just a sport bike, like you're an idiot. Yeah, I probably am. So as you guys can see, she is not the prettiest right now. I still need to put on the side fairings, the bottom fairing, possibly mirrors. I need to do the passenger pegs for my girlfriend. The headlight is on, the headlight is working. She is extremely dirty right now. She's just been under a tarp the majority of her life up here. I just moved to South Carolina, and she's living under a tarp and not a garage, so she's a little dirty. Gets rained on occasionally, but that's okay. The tires are really fresh, extremely fresh. Haven't really gotten a chance to take her to any twisties. I'm really anxious to find some great roads up here once I get settled in. I've talked about that, but this is going to be an honest review of my bike. Honestly, the bike itself, mechanically, you couldn't ask for anything better. I believe I'm at 17,000 miles, maybe 18,000 miles. But other than that, she's been 4 years strong. I bought her brand new. I was 18 years old, $10,000 bike 4 years ago, as crazy as that sounds, and now you're looking at it like this. So the story of this piece right here was $300, and I just did not want to spend $300 to fix that. And you can see I still have some stuff that I need to tighten up, and she needs a lot of work. And I was just so discouraged after I had the black and blue bike. And if you guys haven't seen what it looked like, I'll do the link right there as well. She looked so mean, and for that to just get destroyed when I ripped it one time, it was just so heartbreaking. So this is my R6. She's back, she's alive. Nothing really happened to her too bad. I just haven't had time to make her all pretty, and that'll happen shortly. Let's give her a little rip potato chip. There we go. 130 is about my mark where you're like, okay, that's quick enough for today. The daily 100 in full effect. God, I miss this bike. Just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm Kill Cam. I ride my Victory Gunner and my Yamaha R6. So I'm glad that she is back. And this was just a quick little update video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and y'all take it easy. Kill Cam out.